Welcome to Planter Garden TV. This is a giant mushroom right here. It's like a flying saucer. You see the root right there? That's the root right there. Giant mushroom right here, guys. It's a lot of food right here. A lot of people wouldn't eat it, but trust me, if you go in the supermarket, you're gonna find them. I remember seeing this one growing right here, and I used to soften up the root, like throw dirt around the root. You see the root come up there? I used to throw dirt around it, and look how huge it come. So this is my giant mushroom right here. I'm just showing you. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.